Hey everyone, it's me Andrew Guru and I'm back with another exciting video for all you tech enthusiasts out there. Today we are diving into the world of Google Pixel phones and their incredible camera capabilities. Whenever we talk about the best camera phones, one name always comes up: Google Pixel. And it's no surprise because the camera has always been a highlight of Pixel phones. Did you know that from the Google Pixel 2 to the Google Pixel 5, they use the same camera sensor, and yet those phones were still among the best for photography. But in 2021, Google brought some significant upgrades to the Pixel series with the introduction of the Google Pixel 6. It was the first to feature the company's Tensor chip, a new design and an improved camera hardware. The primary camera said goodbye to the 12-megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor and welcomed the impressive 50-megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor. And that's not all. The Google Pixel 6 Pro even surprised us with a periscope camera featuring a 48-megapixel sensor. And the trend continued with the Google Pixel 7 series, which also had a similar camera setup, utilizing the 50-megapixel GN1 sensor for both phones. But now it's time for the latest news. The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are getting some massive camera upgrades. Let's dive into the details, shall we? The biggest upgrade this year comes in the form of the primary camera. While it's still a 50-megapixel sensor, the Pixel 8 series now features the Samsung GN2 sensor instead of the GN1. This new sensor is larger and has a larger individual pixel size, resulting in up to 35% more light gathering ability. And guess what? The Samsung GN2 sensor supports 8K video recording at up to 30 FPS, perfect for capturing those stunning moments in incredible detail. But that's not all. The Samsung GN2 sensor also brings Samsung's most advanced autofocusing technology called the Dual Pixel Pro. This means faster and more accurate autofocus, even in challenging conditions like low light scenarios or fast moving objects. Now let's talk about the ultra-wide camera. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is equipped with a new 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor, delivering superior quality and improved field of view. Compared to previous models, this sensor is almost twice the size, promising a significant improvement in the quality of your ultra-wide shots. It's important to note that the ultra-wide camera upgrades are exclusive to Google Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 retains the same Sony IMX386 sensor as last year's Pixel 7. However, Google has made the ultra-wide camera on the Pixel 8 slightly wider, offering a better field of view. Moving on to the third camera, the Google Pixel 8 Pro maintains the 48-megapixel Samsung GM5 sensor with 5x optical zoom just like last year. And let's not forget about those selfies. Both the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro sport the 11-megapixel Samsung 3J1 sensor for capturing those perfect self-portraits. But the Pixel 8 Pro has one more trick up its sleeve. It now features an upgraded time of flight sensor, enhancing autofocusing capabilities even further. It is exclusive to the 8 Pro and not available on the Pixel 8. And here's a little surprise. The Google Pixel 8 Pro also includes a thermometer sensor. While it won't be much of use in photography, it's an interesting addition nonetheless. And those are the camera specifications of the Google Pixel 8 series this year. The differences between the vanilla Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro are quite significant, especially in terms of cameras. This year, the Pixel 8 Pro not only has one more camera but also features better ultra-wide autofocus. What a powerhouse! So what do you think of these cameras on the Pixel 8 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and follow this YouTube channel for more exciting tech updates. Stay tuned for more. and I'll see you in the next video.